Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to record treadmill on Strava. So if you also want to record treadmill on Strava, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Strava application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Currently, you're in the home page. At bottom, you'll be able to see several icons over here. You can see the option for home, maps, record, groups and you. All you have to do is tap on the record icon that is at the center. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see a start button over here, and just above the start button you'll be able to see several options. Tap on the second option. Now here you can choose a sport. Scroll down. So there is no treadmill option right now, so it is not possible to record treadmill. But you can choose the option run or trail run. Now tap on the start button that is at the bottom. Now here you'll be able to record your activity. If you want to stop it, simply tap on the stop option that you can see at the bottom. So that is how you record treadmill on Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.